box reinforcements on the Foxbody, and you need to take these seat braces off. So there's an what is it? Let's see, 18 millimeter nut here and a T50. So we need to remove all this sound deadener and remove this rubber garment under here. This is the driver's side. You're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Okay. Look at that. Comes out pretty easy.
So this is how I did it on Sal's car. You see this little cut right here? It kind of goes with the slant right there. You see that? So that's how I know which side goes where. Like that, and you want to bolt it on before you start drilling. Put the screw in and torque it down.
Put the screw in from right here on this side,
yeah.
Right? This side.
Or any side, and then start drilling.
Drilling the top.
But see why I said put the contour right there? So it doesn't hit the body.
Okay, there's the first hole right there. I mean, this is the first hole, the tiny pivot hole. There's this rail hole. Second hole. Oh God. Every day, same thing.
Gonna get on every single video I recorded.
Okay, I'm about to cut out more of this under this plastic quarter panel. So when it sits, when it lines up, it goes too much on that. So that's lined up, and this is lined up right here. We're gonna be using these 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Let's cut that stuff out. Okay, one problem I'm having. So I got the lower control arm bolt in here, and the BMR bracket will not line up with it. I can push it up all the way. I tightened it and it just won't. And basically, where you see the whiteout is where I'm thinking I have to grind up a little bit. So holding that up, it just won't go in. That's one problem. This is on the driver's side. Alright, so here's the end product. Bolts are on. So I had to grind it down. The plate and the body again. Well, just the plate actually, because I already grinded it before. So I, not grinded, I wire brushed. So I did wire brushed, and then my friend welded it, and we hit it with the rust paint again. But that's the finished product. And it's bolted down and welded right here and there. But that's it.